We're gonna have a cool open box. We have electric bike, 350 watts. It can go up to 20 miles an hour speed-wise. In one single charge, you can reach up to 25 miles. So how we doing, everyone? Yes, I'm Dario. This is MEDIABOXENT. Well, we bring you the latest in technology. And today, like I said in the beginning, an electric bike. Dario, show me that right now. Finally, we put the bike together. It's going to take about half an hour. The nice thing, it comes with all the tools. So there's nothing special that you need to require to mount this bike. I think it's a great bike. What I'm going to do, let's bring the bike down and let me show you the details of this cool bike. All right, so we start with the tires. They are 26-inch, all-terrain. As we see, these ones are pretty thick, so allow you to ride in any terrain. Disc brakes. The nice air on this bike that allow you to control the suspension. You're gonna have a nice soft ride, or you can go and just lock it as well too. So two ways to ride this bike with the suspension. So we have a real cool light. We have the fenders, and also if you want to carry a package when we go shopping, we can just put it around the front. So how we control the electric bike? It's pretty simple. We have the full control panel. We give you all the gears in a full battery. Remember, it's at 37 volts. Takes about 4 hours for full charge, and it gives you 25 miles in one single charge. It's P21. There's two ways we can, or three ways we can use this. We can use this as a regular bike without use the electric motor. We can use 100% electric motor, or we can use assist, a combination pedal and also electric. And all you can control it off from here. Even light, turn it on and turn it off. Total of 7 gears. And it's pretty simple. Just push whatever gear you want, and then from here you can switch back, and we have the brakes. Now let's look around the back and let's pay attention to the gear. So Shimano gear, we have a total of 7 gears. We can see disc brakes. Remember, the motor is 350 watts and be able to do in a slope about 20 degrees. Pretty powerful. Big tires, fenders. Now battery, so remember the battery is 37 volts. You're gonna get about 25 miles. From here you can press and you can see how much battery you have. And let me show you right the other side. And then from here we can turn it off and turn it on. So press here to turn it on, and then you have to go back in the front. So finally we got it, right? We put it all together. I give you a lot of cool info. It's a real cool bike, but you know what? We need to ride it. So in the next part we're gonna have some fun and ride the bike. It's still winter here, so we're getting ready for the summertime. By the way, I'm Dario. This is MEDIABOXENT, and I'll see you next time. Bye.